Guys, this is exactly what you do when you can afford anything on this earth.
I want to call with a really powerful engine. This is the same car that we have. So I'm gonna choose this one.
Yeah, that's right. Your father can afford it, so why not choose it?
Come and see this one.
Choose this one. But this one is way better. But this one is 2025, and that the one we have at home is 2020. Yeah. I also like the pedals.
My people, money is good though. Whatever you do, make sure you make money.